Let's be honest, the UK's 9 to 5 is broken. You're commuting 2 hours a day to a job that's being threatened by AI while inflation eats your salary for breakfast. But here's the irony. The very tool people are afraid of, Claude 3.5, is actually the greatest wealth creation engine of our generation. In my last series, I showed how a traditional farm can run 8 streams of income. Today, we're going digital. I'm giving you the Digital Octopus Model. I'm going to show you how to use Claude not just as a chatbot, but as a senior developer, a creative director, and a CEO. Grab a pen and paper. We're moving from employee to architect. Let's break down the 8 streams that will make your boss redundant. Stream 1, the Micro-SaaS. In the UK, we have very specific problems: tax laws, stamp duty, rental regulations. Ask Claude, build a Python-based stamp duty calculator for 2026 UK regulations with a clean web interface. Within seconds, it writes the logic. You don't need to know Python, you just need to know how to ask. Host this on a simple platform like Vercel. Charge £5 a month, 100 users, and your car payment is covered. Stream 2, Chrome extensions. This is the hidden goldmine. Think of a tool that summarizes UK house price trends on Rightmove. Claude can write the JavaScript for this in one go. You publish it on the web store. People love efficiency. It's a low-maintenance digital pond that catches pennies while you sleep. Now here's where the octopus starts working together. Stream 3, the build-in public newsletter. Every time you use Claude to solve a coding bug, document it. Start a Substack. The UK tech scene is starving for authentic AI-driven case studies. You're building a brand while building a product. Stream 4, API automation consulting. Small businesses in the UK are stuck in the 90s. They use Excel for everything. Use Claude to write bridge scripts that connect their Shopify to their accounting software. You aren't selling code, you're selling time. A £500 setup fee for something that takes Claude 10 minutes, that's the power of AI leverage. Stream 5, the Digital Template Vault. Claude is a master at structure. Ask it to build a high-performance OKR tracker for UK startups in Notion. Package it, polish the UI, and sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. Digital real estate costs 0 to maintain. Stream 6, Python-powered data scraping. There's a massive market for niche data. Use Claude to write a script that scrapes upcoming planning permissions in London. Sell this data to local property developers. Information is the new oil, and Claude is your drill. You're providing ready-to-use intel that businesses gladly pay hundreds of pounds for. Stream 7, Faceless AI channels. Use Claude to script deep dives into the future of the UK economy or AI tools for accountants. Pair it with a high-quality AI voice. These channels build long-term ad revenue and authority. Stream 8, the Prompt Engineering Blueprint. This is your grand finale. Once you've built these 7 streams, you have the most valuable asset in the world, the knowledge. Package every prompt, every workflow, and every Claude artifact you used into a £29 ebook. It's the ultimate passive income tower. You're selling the map to the goldmine you just built. Look, the Octopus Model isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building a resilient, multi-layered business where if one leg fails, the other 7 keep you standing. In 2026, the gap between the haves and have-nots is simply AI literacy. You've got the blueprint, you've got the tool, the only thing missing is you starting. If you're ready to stop being a spectator and start being an AI architect, comment 2026 Empire below. I'll send a DM to 5 of you with my personal Claude prompt library to get you started. Don't just watch the world change, be the one who changes it. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's build. I'll see you in the next one.